Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. Cleaning is a whole lot easier with Bona's all-in-one microfiber spray mop system. It has an oversized head to cover more ground quickly, and it cleans floors with a washable, reusable microfiber pad. Its onboard cleaner cartridge is refillable with Bona formulas for less waste. In our tests, we found the mop dispenses a wide, fine spray evenly onto the floor. The long rectangular head maneuvers easily into narrow spaces, and the corners on each side are soft and flexible, so they flip up when you go along walls and baseboards to catch every speck. Bona offers deep cleaning and even dusting pads that can also be used with this mop. While the pole has a second grip section to make scrubbing easier, it may be a little long for short users and may fall over in storage if not hung from a hook. Includes Bona's water-based residue-free cleaner in a refillable cartridge and a washable microfiber pad. Cleans wood floors effectively by removing dust, dirt and grime, revealing beautiful floors. The extra-large mop head delivers quick and effective cleaning, and the flexible rubber corners protect baseboards and furniture from dings and scratches. A secondary grip allows for added cleaning power, and a retractable hook makes storage easy. Bona's microfiber cleaning pad has soft microfiber that won't scratch or damage your wood floor and is reusable and machine washable, making the Bona spray mop a sustainable addition to your cleaning routine. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ILIFE W100 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This new category of cleaning appliance is taking the floor care industry by storm. Vacuum mops suck up dry debris and wet chunky messes, like spilled soup or cereal, and wash floors, too. In our recent test of 11 models, this one from ILIFE was the highest scorer in our performance tests. Because the suction on the W100 was so powerful, it was able to pick up water that wasn't in its direct path, making us comfortable recommending it for use on wood floors. After cleaning with the ILIFE W100, we found cleaning the device to be simpler than on many of the others we tested because of how thoroughly the self-clean cycle removed debris from the brush roll and vacuum nozzle. A light wiping of the docking station and a quick rinse of the dirty water tank and filter were the only cleanup steps needed. An LED screen keeps you informed of everything that is going on with your device, like battery power, cleaning mode and water tank levels, and voice alerts can inform you of the same. At number 3, we have the Bona PowerPlus Hardwood Floor Deep Cleaner Spray. True to form, we're recommending another impressive product from the best-performing wood floor cleaner brand in our tests, Bona. This time it's the PowerPlus Deep Cleaner Spray, designed for wood floors that haven't been wet cleaned in a while or are in need of deeper cleaning. This heavy-duty formula performed so well during testing that it earned an award in Good Housekeeping's 2021 Cleaning Awards. One of our cleaning lab experts who used it raved afterward, "My wood floors were so clean and shiny after using it that they looked like they had been refinished." Certified by the EPA's Safer Choice program, its oxygenated, fast-drying formula penetrates grime and heavy buildup. Plus, when it's time to repurchase, you can buy this formula in a 128 ounces size to refill the spray bottle and reduce your plastic waste. Stuck-on messes and heavy buildup are no match for our deep cleaning Bona PowerPlus formula. With 3x the cleaning action and powered by hydrogen peroxide, Bona PowerPlus Hardwood Floor Deep Cleaner releases thousands of microbubbles to loosen and remove heavy dirt buildup, providing a deep clean for your wood floors without the extra effort. We believe in crafting our floor cleaners with plant-derived ingredients, and always using water-based and biodegradable solutions, making a safer product for people, pets, and the planet. At number 2, we have the Bona Hard Floor Cleaning Machine Formulation. If you already own or are in the market for one of the new vacuum mops, like our ILIFE pick, you'll need a separate cleaning formula to use in it. Most machine brands offer their own multi-purpose formulas designed to clean a variety of floor surfaces. But when it comes to cleaning wood floors, we like the idea of using a product specifically made for wood, so we were pleased when Bona launched its hardwood floor cleaner machine Formulation. When we put it to the test in our machines, we found it cleaned well, dried quickly, removed marks and left our floors streak-free. And the consumers on our test panel agreed, so much so that it earned a spot in our 2022 Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning and Organizing Awards. While Bona claims it's safe to use in most brands of vacuum mop, we recommend checking with your mop's manufacturer that using another brand of cleaner won't void your appliance's warranty. This unique formula is crafted to work effectively with your machine to bring out your floor's natural shine and beauty. Water-based solutions and Safer Choice certification ensure a safer product for your family, pets and our planet. Featuring an essential oil-infused cedar wood scent, a blend of precious woods, freshly picked herbs and highlights of peony and eucalyptus. Love your floors with Bona. Recommended by flooring professionals since 1919. Bissell and Crosswave are trademarks of Bissell Inc. Corporation. Hoover and PowerDash are trademarks of Tektronix Cordless GP. Tinaco and iFloor are trademarks of Tinaco Intelligent Technology Company, Limited. Jashin is a trademark of Shenzhen Jashin Technology Company, Limited. Ion Vac is a trademark of Zumi Electronics LLC. Bona's use of these trademarks does not imply any affiliation with or endorsement by the trademark's owners. Based on independent testing conducted by Bona. And finally at number 1, we have the Libman Hardwood Concentrated Floor Cleaner. Whether you prefer cleaning your floors using a traditional mop and bucket or a newer spray mop, Libman's Freedom Hardwood Floor Cleaning Formula can do both. It's made to be mixed with water for use either in your own bucket or with Libman's Freedom Dispensing Microfiber Mop. In our tests, it did a very good job of quickly dissolving our sticky soil and scuff marks, and because it can be diluted, a little goes a long way. The bottle top has a handle for easy carrying and a built-in cup for mess-free measuring. Simply squeeze the bottle to fill the measuring cap with the recommended dose of cleaner and pour it directly into a bucket or the Freedom Mop canister. One little bottle makes 4 gallons of cleaner, and this innovative package prevents spills and eliminates the need for a separate measuring cup. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.